Hello friends, a very warm welcome to my channel. This is the second vlog in the series My Quarantine Days at JW Marriott, Juhu. My day starts at 800 hours with my Samsung smartphone ringing the wake up alarm. Then, drinking a cup of lukewarm water and freshening up, I sit for yoga half an hour, followed by a series of freehand exercises and stretchings. Today breakfast was idli, a very delicious South Indian dish with moong sprouts, watermelon and pineapple. That was delicious and I loved it. Enjoyed the scenic view of Indian Ocean, for which this Juhu beach is world famous. A bit disappointed that as I am in quarantine, hence not permitted to go roam around there. So just hang in here and just be satisfied peeping from the glass door. Some feeling of anxiety and restlessness rushed through my spines when I felt that quarantine has kind of arrested me and I cannot go out to meet my dear wife or meet my family, brother like friends and the outer world. Everything seemed to be leaving me far away from here. I couldn't even see them. This was happening to me because there is a long gap between now and when I signed off last vessel in November 2019. Thanks to my wife, she called me up and brought me in right track by motivating me and reminding me the purpose for which ranks were bestowed on my shoulder. Indeed, marine engineers are made with some strong reason and a very noble cause of keeping the world trade moving on. Friends, let me tell you, it's all about mind game and nothing else. Last 1 month at my home, I would have hardly went out of my room when there was no restriction. And now when I am in quarantine, then anxiety. So just think. Just have to know the trick of controlling the way of thinking of mind. And that is by keeping yourself engaged in fruitful activities, doing whatever you do with a great sense of pride and purpose. Lunchtime is at 1300 hours and meal here is healthy, delicious and also not so spicy so that we don't end up with an upset tummy. One special mention today is for my new company. I'm very thankful for their kind and considerate behavior. They sent me a full PPE kit for all their employees quarantined here and waiting to join on board vessels. The kit comprises of disposable overall suit, face masks, anti-fog face shield, digital thermometer and hand sanitizer, and also an oximeter. Since the oximeter is a very important monitoring device today, I shall give a small demonstration about it. Just have to press it start on. Then have to put the left finger inside it, left index finger that is, and just have to relax and let 2-3 cycles go on. Clearly we can see the waves being generated. That is the pulse it is sensing. We just give a couple of seconds so that it settles down in a reading. So here it is, SpO2 is about 95 and beat rate is 82. So that's it, just switch it off and take your finger out. So normal SpO2 is above 93 and if it is below 92 then we need to do proning position and consult doctor. Beat rate normally is 60 to 100. I plan to record temperature and SpO2 reading twice a day to keep a record about my health. I also attempted a couple of questions in Check platform, which is a platform for international students to put their doubts, questions, problems, and get help from subject matter experts. That's all for today. Stay with me, friends. Do give your comments below about this blog and subscribe to my channel to stay connected and get updates about my latest videos. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.